Checking in here live. We'll do it live here on a Monday, November 20th, 20 and the 23 on the Mayan calendar, 11:25 a.m. And we're going to be heading over to have lunch with our friends, Jeff and Casey. I'll probably need to leave pretty soon. So going over to the Journeyman Distillery, brand new to Valparaiso. Currently, their main restaurant and venue is in Three Oaks, Michigan. I've been there a couple times, but this will be the first time to the Valparaiso distillery since it opened probably about a month ago. See this old factory here. Not a great picture of it. It's kind of shaded out, but this old factory has sat here probably, I don't know, 20, 25 years abandoned, and they've turned it into their venue. So it's a huge space. I'm excited about that. Let's see what the menu looks like. Let's see what the old menu looks like here. Let's see. Dine, lunch and dinner. Really? You're going to do this right now? Probably not. I was actually hoping for pictures. Looks like they just have the regular PDF style menu posted there, but got that going for me. So I'm excited about that, seeing our friends. But let's take a look at where we're at. We're currently at 1.774. So very nice. Heading over here, though, Bank of America looking way upside down, trading just under, was that just under $30? Oh, now it's breached $30.04. We have $29 calls on the table, and they have ex-dividend date coming up at the end of the month on 11/30. So we're going to need to do something about that. The money tree, one of our money tree trades, Chevron Oil, 146 call, and it's currently at 145.11, which reminds me, the USO, it did exactly, in fact, it's done more than I thought it was going to do. I thought it would bounce up to 72.50 and then take a little bit of a, healthy turn back just a little bit to around 70. But right now it's blasting right through 72.50 on its way up to 73. So we'll keep an eye on that. But, according to Fibonacci retracement and Elliott wave theory, typically on a trend, when we're looking at a impulsive trend, it's five up, right? We've talked about the 5 up before. 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, 5 up. Okay. That is an impulsive, right? But there's also corrective ABCs and there's impulsive ABCs. So right now I was looking at, well, how about a healthy correction, maybe an ABC? So we go down to around 70 before we then head back up to whatever, 80 plus. Could be. We'll find out. Keep an eye on oil there. So one of our money tree trades is Chevron. It is a bit under pressure, but that's the plan for it, right? We are looking to have those called away at 146. That may or may not happen by the end of the week. We'll have to keep an eye on that. But right now we do have the dividend locked in. And we also bought some other shares last week that we're not receiving a dividend on. We bought 300 shares at 141.25 a share, and Chevron is currently trading at 145.10. So a few bucks in profit waiting for us there. We'll decide what we want to do. Do we want to, if we look to have a corrective pullback, we could try to sell and then recoup, get back in on the shares at the bottom of that corrective trend line before then following up oil up to whatever, $100 a barrel, etc. Deere we have 395 calls and it's at 381.17. So probably not in any trouble there. We'll see how that trends for the rest of the week. On semiconductor, $74 calls. It's currently trading at 70.12. What will probably impact this in sympathy will be how NVIDIA reports earnings this week. So we could see on semiconductor blow right through my $74 call. If so, hey, so be it. We'll roll that thing. Target, we talked about this last week. I did end up rolling from 130 to 131 on Friday. And since then, Target has taken a little bit of a corrective retrace to 128.74. But our last two options trades have been pretty awesome. Let's go to Target, the stock. You could see, though, how underwater we still are. Our average is 142.77. Now, I've made, what have I done on Target in general? Did I put the other 800 in there? That's not Target, is it? Nope, that was Bank of America. I was checking out that earlier. Where is the Target? Target down here. So where are we at? Okay, I do have the 800 in there. So I do have over 10,000 in dividends and options premiums to help offset what would currently be underwater 11,000. Okay, but I am going to be paying taxes on the income of the 10,270. So at some point we may decide to let it go and lock in losses in order to offset the taxes that I'm accumulating throughout the year of trading and collecting dividends. So I still like Target, though. I think they're going to go eventually right through and way above the 142.77. But in the meantime, they could end up dipping back down if indeed we are heading for some sort of a recession whatsoever. So the last two options trades, I've collected $2,000 in premium in less than a week. Hello. So Wednesday, we put on that 130 call, and then we rolled it on Friday for a total of $2,000 in our pocketbook. Tesla 230, currently underwater, right? Oh, it's down a bit today, 233.38. I will let this go on Friday if that's in the money, because I think Tesla has some downtown to Chinatown in to do. And once they begin to make what could be a 5-wave impulsive wave down, once that begins and it proves itself to be true on the longest third leg down, we might get back into some action on Tesla. So we'll stay tuned on that as well. Unity underwater, so we'll be rolling that out and up. UPS is underwater as well. By how much? By 50 cents, so no big deal here, but if we wanted to roll it now, I'd want to roll at least $1 up. I could probably get $1 up and cover the debit. Oh yeah, for sure. Almost get $2 up. So we're at 148. We got a 158 debit to cover. 192 would be our number at 149, and 146 would be the number at 150. So even if we wanted to just play it safe and go up $2, okay, see, we don't have dollar bill. I mean, it could end up in another week. We can show up with some dollar bill increments in the options chain, but right now, December 18th is showing $5 wide. Let's just take another look out another week. So here is a little bit closer action. So we've got the dollar bills here, and then we got a 250 here. So that's subject to change, as they say. So we're not going to let UPS go there because we like UPS, plus I'm underwater at the 148 call. So we have to protect this house. The USO trade that I put on, what day was that? Thursday. Put this on Thursday. 5 contracts at $66, currently at 91% a profit. So those are very nice. Win, $93 calls, already at 84% profit, which isn't good because that just means Win is downtown to Chinatown. And then the only other one on the board currently is the ExxonMobil 106 calls. And ExxonMobil is currently at 104.91. It was well over 105 earlier today. So we'll keep an eye on oil and the correlated stocks. And then the next one won't be until the following week, Gilead. So we'll see what's up there. And then we also did buy on Thursday 300 shares of ExxonMobil for 102.23. So we got a little bit of profit on the table there as well. So that is the check-in before I head off to lunch. And then we're possibly having dinner at Burger House tonight in Valparaiso because that's Maya Coco's favorite restaurant. And it is crazy week here at the house because it is prep week for our Thanksgiving party. We'll probably have 35 to 40 people here, and the cooking goes on for days. In fact, it started yesterday. Keep you posted on that as well. Just got a text from Lady Friend that said ready. So that's my cue. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.